I look super excited because as you can read by the title, we are going to unbox something that I've been waiting for such a long time, and it finally arrives today. So yeah, I'm super excited. Let's just not waste any more time. But yeah, I'm sorry that I look like this because I just finished dance practice. But yeah, let's not waste any more time and unbox it. Okay, so the reason why I tak ada dia punya plastic tu is because I really don't know if it's the album. Sebab the name is Hazel. So, dia tak tulis nama kedai pun. So, I just buka je lah. And end up, it's the album. So, yeah. Let's see what's inside. Ta-da! Oh my god, I'm super excited. Okay. So, dia hantar, by the way, memang packaging dia super secure. super secure sebab dia ada banyak gila bubble wrap. Cuma tadi ada buang. So yeah. So I ordered from this shop sebab memang I tengok ramai gila order daripada dia. And there's one more coming from that shop also, but that gonna come lagi lambat because I ordered last batch. But oh my god, guys, I'm holding it. This is my first ever K-pop album yang I pernah beli. I've never beli any K-pop album sebab mahal kan. Okay, relax, relax. So this one cost me RM100, RM100, and this is how it looks like. Lalisa. Oh my god. Yep, it's so pretty. So this is the air kit, the album air kit. So at the back, ta-da! Oh my god, look at that. That's so pretty. Oh my god. I think this one the kedai bagi kot because like got extra tape. Thank you so much. Oh, this is the gold version. So yeah, got that. That's so pretty. Oh my god. Okay, stay there. And the moment of truth. The kit album. You're going to unbox this. Okay. So, we'll cut that part. Oh my. Okay. Oh my god, I'm touching it. Oh my god. Okay. So it's glossy and like the rest are matte. So let's see what's inside. 1, 2. So pretty. Oh my god. Ay, nak nangis lah. So first, we got the pop socket. We got the grip up with the letter L. Stands for Lalisa. So yeah, Kak Ina want to take this from me, so I'm not gonna let her. Okay. Next, we have a photo card of Lisa. Oh my god. So I got this one. Oh my, that's so cute. This is the back part. Yeah. Yep, that's so cute. Next, we have a lot of Polaroid photo. So, okay. I got a lot. Oh my god. Oh my god. I love the quality. Okay. Sama. Okay, so I'm gonna show a real quick one. Got that. Yes, sir. She's so hot. Oh my god. Yup, that's so pretty. Oh my god. Ooh, Lisa's eyes. I got my eyes on you. And this one. And this one. And last one. Last but not least, this is the real thing. The kit album. So it comes with a manual instruction. Yep. I'm gonna have to read this later. But ta-da! I've never had this. So when I first wanted to order this, I actually don't know what AirKit is. So I search it on YouTube and I tengok ada banyak gila yang Rose punya, Jenny punya. So yeah, I got mine. I got Lalisa. And let's see how it works. This is the back side of it. Lalisa. And the front part is like this. And we got that. Yep. So let's see if it works on my phone. Alright, so I'm gonna try to use the kit now. So first it says install kit player. I'm gonna scan the QR code right here. Okay. Alamak. Blur. Yep. So this is the kit player. I'm gonna download it. Downloading. Okay. Next is open kit player. Open kit player macam mana, Mat? Open? Oh, open the apps ke? La ilah. Blurnya saya. Click the button on the kit towards the microphone of your smartphone device. Mana microphone? Which one is microphone, guys? I see speaker kan? Speaker kan? Ke mana? Ni ke microphone? Ke ni? Ni kot? Kan? Tak tahulah. Lah? Phone sendiri tak tahu. Tak faham ni. Tapi tak apa. Kita explore. Okay, so the apps dah habis download. So I'm gonna open it. So the first thing you nampak in the apps is this thing. And I think I'm gonna click AirKit. And then AirKit connection is click the button on the AirKit at the indicate microphone spot. Just this one. Okay. I'm gonna take this and then like tekan kat sini, I guess. Sekejap. This one. And then Lah! Tiba-tiba ada. Downloading. We're gonna wait until this finish download and then we continue. Alright, so it's connected already. So now I'm gonna click done. So in the apps, this is how it looks like. So atas ni ada photos, ada album, ada keytor. So I'm gonna press photos. Ooh, okay. So basically dalam ni ada gambar yang mana ada dalam the AirKit lah, and also the lyrics. Ooh, cool. Okay, next. Apa lagi ada? And then I'm gonna press album. Everything is written in Korea, guys. I tak boleh baca. Okay, kita ni I think like basically untuk orang yang guna apps kit ni lah. Okay. Sebelah ni ada macam ni, which I tak tahu apa benda. But then dia ada teaser, ada banyak gila video teaser, album, and official music video. And then apa lagi? And then ada instrumental. Ooh. And then ada lyrics. Tak ada lirik lah, salah. No, I think salah pasang. Oh, okay. Contoh macam ni, money. Lirik. Yeah. So, basically ada banyak lagi benda yang boleh explore dalam apps ni. Based on the AirKit. Tapi, it's gonna take some time for me. But, yeah, so far I'm super happy with this. I'm so happy. I'm so in love. So, yeah. So, that's all for today's video. I'm done unboxing this Lalisa album AirKit. AirKit album? I tak tahu lah apa benda, tapi yeah. As you can see, I'm super happy. I'm super satisfied, and it's worth it. Yep. So, till we meet again. See you guys again in another video. Bye! Love you guys so much, Arrivas.